sorry. I thought this was Anissa Pierce's place.
It is, Mr. Pierce. I'm Grace. I recognize you from her photos. Nice to finally meet you. Please come in.
Thank you.
I'm not really sure when she'll be back, but shouldn't be too long. Can I get you something to drink?
No. Fine. Thank you.
What, Dad? Hey, what's up?
She knows about Blackbird? A person I've never met.
Look, she only knows about me, I swear.
Thundertune.
Yeah.
You have put our entire family in danger.
Dad, I trust Grace with my life.
Oh, until you throw her out of your bed and find someone else.
Okay, I don't know where any of this is coming from, but I'm not gonna stand here and be yelled at by you or anyone else.
Oh, what, because you're Blackbird now? Running around? Showing off? Throwing tanks? Oh! Helping people has never been enough for you. No, you gotta be famous. Live in a fancy loft, paid with drug money, I take it. Running around, spraying that ridiculous logo all over town.
So what, are you jealous? And that logo, that's not even me. That's the insurgents using me to inspire hope. You know, something Black Lightning used to do?
Do you have any idea what I've been through for this city?
Don't hurt us. Please don't.
Grace, it's okay. He's not gonna hurt you or me. I promise.
What the hell was that?
You need to leave now.
Anissa.
Dad, no, listen to me. This is my house. And right now, you're not welcome in it. Leave.